And it is really coming down in parts of the county. It's also very windy. The cold front is moving through the county right now. As we look towards Coronado, plenty of raindrops on our camera and really poor visibility. The trees also waving around quite a bit as the cold front is quickly approaching that area. In fact, that line of rain is the cold front. So once that passes, you can see what happens behind it, like in Oceanside, Camp Pendleton, Fallbrook, just a few isolated showers. So that cold front is going to be arriving in Hillcrest pretty quickly here downtown about 4:23 and Canto at 4:33 and Hamul about 4:52. So really any minute now for a lot of those areas. That's the heaviest rain that we are going to be seeing with this storm system. It is the weakest of the storms that we've seen this week, but the last two came so early in the morning, a lot of people just slept through them. And of course, as the evening commute is picking up, you don't want to be dealing with rain. So just drive careful out there. Up in the North County, we're starting to see some of that rain really start to taper off in some areas. There is a slight chance for thunderstorms. You can see a little bit of activity farther to the north of us. The center of the storm is going to stay to the north. It's that cold front that we're just going to be seeing swing through today. So our 10 News Futurecast doing a nice job by 6 o'clock. Most of the county pretty much drying out. Yes, there is a chance for a few more showers tonight, but it won't be as widespread or as heavy as what we're seeing right now. Areas like the mountains, including Mount Laguna, where we could be still dealing with a little bit of snow, that will continue into the early morning hours. This is at 1:30 in the morning, but by about 3-4 o'clock in the morning, well before the morning commute even picks up, that chance for any rain or snow is really going to drop off. Really poor visibility also as you're driving right now. El Cajon, visibility less than a mile in downtown right now. 2 in Santee. We're also dealing with some pretty gusty winds, so if you do have a flight, you might want to check with your airlines to see if there's any delays. Right now, we're in the 50s for most of the county, 40s in Ramona and in Alpine. Julian at 38, it is not looking very likely that we're going to be seeing some snow there. Look at these winds that we are seeing. As I pinpointed earlier, we're seeing gusts over 50 miles per hour. Harrison Park right now, in fact, that's the strongest wind gust that we've seen in the county so far, 53 miles per hour. 26 down and Imperial Beach, 31 mile per hour winds downtown. So a wind advisory does continue until 2 a.m. tomorrow for the coast and the valleys. Peak winds could exceed 40 miles per hour. The deserts, your wind advisory continues until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Peak winds could exceed 60 miles per hour. And a winter weather advisory continues until 9 a.m. tomorrow for the mountains. Mount Laguna and Palomar, you may see another inch or so of snow. Also still dealing with those gusty winds, 45 to 65 miles per hour. We're drying out tomorrow, but it is going to remain quite cool. Upper 50s to low 60s for most coast and valleys, 30s and 40s in the mountains. Some areas like Ramona, Alpine, Lemon Grove, and San Marcos staying in the mid-50s tomorrow with 60s in the deserts. We warm up and dry out for the weekend. The next couple of nights, though, are going to be quite chilly. Mid-60s along our coast this weekend, and then closer to 70 most of next week. And I've been tracking these storms. They are going to be rolling in, but they look like they're going to stay to the north of us. At this point, it looks like our best chance for any rain next week might be some marine layer drizzle. But look at these temperatures from the 50s tomorrow to the near 80-degree temperatures in the inland neighborhoods by Monday. The mountains, which have been in the 30s, will warm to the mid-60s as we start next week. Tonight and tomorrow night, though, very cold. A lot of us dipping down into the 20s. Meanwhile, the deserts, you're going to see those breezy conditions tomorrow, but winds will be tapering off during the day. Next week, looking at the 80s.